What's up guys, it's RC Steve 710 coming at you guys with another video. This is actually the follow-up video to the 1.0 Proline Hyrax tires. Those were my initial impressions and first time hands-on and first test drive. Now what we've gone and done is modify the tires by venting the tires. So as you can see, venting the tires releases all the air pressure inside and actually really lets the foams work and conform to the rocks easier and better. Also, I needed some front end weight as this build has no brass on it, so I actually did add a little bit of brass by using the trio brass inner beadlock rings for the front and keeping the trio inner aluminum beadlock rings in the rear. So just this simple addition of the inner beadlock rings up front should hopefully help me out get better traction and keep my front end planted. So without further ado, let's get this rig on the rocks and test it out with these modifications and see how it does compared to stock. Alright guys, we're back in the garage, and boy, what a difference those tires made with the vented tires, as well as that front end weight. I could really notice the tires would conform a lot better to the rocks than they did with the stock setups, as well as that extra front weight is going to actually give the tire a little bit more weight to flex and conform on the rocks just the way I wanted to, while keeping the rear end nice and firm. What I did notice is that as these tires are getting a little dusty, they didn't do the best when they accumulate so much dust or light sand. As time went on, I did notice that running the same lines with cleaner tread versus dirtier tread, I would notice a little bit more sliding and a little bit more not being able to grip the rocks better. So one thing to consider when running these tires is make sure to keep them clean, as well as they perform best in dry rock area. Would I recommend these tires to try out? Absolutely. I can definitely say that these are one of my favorite tires that I currently use for the SCX24s. These are very, very sticky. The sidewalls are amazing, and one thing, I guess the last thing I'm going to do, maybe I'll do a video, maybe not, but I will be running Crawler Innovations soft foams all around. Hopefully that will give me just a little bit more flex to the compound, something that I'm kind of looking for a little bit, just a little bit more. But anywho, hope you guys enjoyed the quick review and quick overall impressions of the Proline Hyrax tires. Keep an eye out for some more videos regarding new products or crawling videos in general. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of these Proline Hyrax tires after the modifications done to them, and if you will definitely be grabbing a set or passing on them. Thanks a lot. Have a great one. See you guys in the next one.